The jam nuts are always spun towards the arm, and then we'll clamp that double-threaded adjuster and the M8 clamping bolt onto that thread receiver. If nothing else. There you go. So once Cam got a measurement off the side that we had already matched to the OEM, then he's just taking the calipers and getting a spread in between the fork and the rest of the arm.
I took off 3 threads, but we can take a measurement if you want.
Give a little edge rounding on that last thread. That'll help him go in easier than he came out.
The problem is any like misalignment, the threads on the bolt kind of get hung up. It's pretty loose in there now.
There he is. So it's a similar situation to the upper traction rod, but not as bad because it looks like it's about to go below that corner right there. Subframe bolt is out.
Subframe bolt is out.
You got both sides out? Or just this corner?
Just this corner.
You want to drop the other one a little bit to make your life easier? Oh yeah, that's good. I might just do it. That's like a 5mm gap. Well, I did it. That's the easy way. Oh, yeah. So right now the whole drive unit and everything is just hanging on the back bolts.
I barely loosened that other side.
When we were on a lift that went up and down.
This innovation is called the world's longest extension. So is this just due to the laziness of not wanting to press the lever that lowers the car down to use the normal extension?
Yes.
Innovations brought to you by laziness. All right. Main top nut.
Yeah, what's in
You,
that top?
you have a 21, 22 out here? Which one is it?
21.
All right, so we got a 10 kg spring here. Gonna replace the 12 kg. Might get clapped out, but give it a shot. Pretty quick to change springs. Where's that little washer? I wonder if we should use even more bump stops on the 10. Get hurt. It'd be like 10 initial and then some progressive on the bone stop.
So you want
Why
one or
not?
two?
Let's do one. No leftover parts? Hope you're doing it right. There we are. You still need the world's longest suspension. So up in here we got solid motor mounts, solid subframe, spherical bearings, spherical bearings in the knuckle, all the arms and rods are replaced. Subframe rear lower control arms, spherical bearings.